Today we are making Little Mermaid hand-painted cookies. I saw this technique on YouTube. Someone had hyperlapsed a video of them painting cookies and I thought it looked amazing. So I looked up how to do them and I gave it a go. I absolutely fell in love with this technique and I will most definitely be using it for future character cookies. Hand painting cookies can seem absolutely intimidating, but trust me, once you try this, you are going to use this technique a ton. You just need a good quality fine tip paintbrush, a paint tray, some food dye, and some water, and you're ready to go. Put a drop of food dye on your paint tray, dip your brush into your dye, and then dip it into some water. Dab off any excess on a paper towel and start creating. It's helpful to have a character photo for reference. The eyes are one of the hardest parts to master, so start light and build up your color as you go. Use less water for your outline and more water to fill in all your colored areas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and never forget to subscribe so you never miss a baking session with Sammy. Until the next video, love to you all and all to you love.